Hello everyone, this is Manisha. I'll be teaching Hindi Varnamala. So, children, in the previous class, what did we learn? In the previous class, we had learned what is swar, how many letters are there, what are they called in English. Then we also learned a small topic that is Vyanjan. In Vyanjan, we learned two varg, that is kha varg and cha varg. So children, now let me revise for you all what did we learn in the previous class. So in the previous class, we learned swar. We learned swar. What is swar? Letters from A to Aha are called swar. What are they? Letters from A to Aha are called swar. So they are 13 in number. They are 13 in number. They are also known as vowels. They are also known as vowels in English. What are they known as? They are also known as vowels in English. So, swar are those letters from A to Aha. They are 13 in number and they are also known as vowels. They are also known as vowels. So, let us see which are those letters. Now, let us brush swar. First letter of swar is A. How to write? Yes. A. What is this? A. Next. A. 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 Next. E. E. U. U. Ru. A. A. E. E. U. U. Ru. A. I. O. Ow. Um. Aha. Children, let me repeat it again. A, a, e, e, u, u, ru, a, I, o, ow, aha. How many are there? They are 13 in number. How many children? They are 13 in number. They are a, e, e, u, u, ru, a, I, o, ow, aha. So this is swar. Letters from A to Aha are called swar. They are 13 in number. They are also known as vowels. What are they known as? They are known as vowels. Next, what did we learn after swar? Yes, we learned consonants. They are also known as Vyanjan in Hindi. They are how many in number? They are 37 in number. We learned Vyanjan. They are also known as consonants in English and they are 37 in number. So let us revise them also. They are 37 in number. They are also known as consonants. Consonants. We learned swar and then we learned vyanjan. They are 37 in number. They are also known as consonants. What did we learn in consonants? Which are those letters that come in vyanjan? Yes, we learned ka varga and cha varga. What is ka varga, children? Yes, we learned ka varga means ka. First letter comes is ka. How to write ka? One standing line, curl, pull it out and touch the line. This is ka. What did we learn next after ka? We learned ka. Second ka. Ka. What is this? Ka. Ka. Next. Gha. Gha. Next ga. One curl, small curl, one standing line and sleeping line. Kha, kha, gha, gha, meow. Children, in the first class I had told you, you have to touch all the three lines. Did we touch all the three lines while writing? Yes, we touched all the three lines while writing. This is kha, kha, gha, gha, meow. Kha, kha, gha, gha, meow. Next, what did we learn? We learned cha varga. So this is kha varga. Next we learned cha varga. How did we learn? What is the first letter? Cha. One sleeping line, one small curve downwards, one standing line, one sleeping line. Cha. Next. Cha, cha. One small curve. Like this and like this. Cha. What is this? Cha. Cha. Cha, cha. Next. Ja. Cha, cha, ja. Next, ja. How to write? Standing line, curve, touch this, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. Cha, cha, ja, ja, meow. Curve, reverse the C, sleeping line, and standing line. Cha, cha, ja, ja, meow. This is cha varga. This is kha varga. This is cha varga. So what did we learn? In the first class, we learned what is swar. They are 13 in number and they are also known as vowels. They are a, I, u, ru, a, I, o, au, aha. So these are called swar. They are 13 in number and they are also known as vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S. Vowels. A says ananas. What is ananas? Ananas means pineapple. A says aloo. E says imarat. E says imarat. E says ind. E says ind. U says upahar. U says upahar. U says und. U says und. Ru says rushi. Ru says rushi. A says ek. A says ek. I says ainak. I says ainak. O says okali. What does O say? O says okali. Ow says औषध. औ says औषध. Says अंगूर. Says अंगूर. Aha says cha. Cha means 6. What is it? Says angur, aha says chaha, which means 6. Next we learn Vyanjan. What is Vyanjan? Vyanjan is also known as consonants. They are 13 in number, and in the previous class we learned Khavarg and Chavarg. In Khavarg, the letters are K, Kha, G, G, Nya. K says Khalika. K says Khalika. Kh says Khargosh. Kh says Khargosh. Gh says Gajar. Gh says Gajar. Gh says Ghoda. Gh says Ghoda. Nya. K says Kalika. Kh says Khargosh. Gh says Gajar. Gh says Ghoda. Nya. Ch says Chakra. Ch says Chakra. Ch says Chatri. This ch says Chakra. This ch says Chatri. Ch says Chakra. Ch says Chatri. J says Jahaj. J says Jahaj. Jha says Jhanda. Jha says Jhanda. Nya. Cha says Chakra. Cha says Chhatri. Ja says Jahaj. Ja says Jhanda. Nya. So we learned in the previous class Vyanjan, Khavarg and Chavarg. They are 37 in number. They are also known as consonants. In Khavarg, Kha says Khalika. Kha says Khargosh. Gha says Gajar. Gha says Ghoda. Nya. Cha says Chakra. Cha says Chatri. Ja says Jahaj. Ja says Jhanda. And Nya. So, children, today in this class, we'll be learning next two varg. That is Ta varg and Tha varg. How to write Ta? First, how to write Ta? One sleeping line, one standing line, one C. Ta. One standing line and one C. And one sleeping line. Ta. 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 What is it? Tha. This is tha. Next. Dha. Dha. One standing line, one curve, reverse the curve, and this is the. Standing line, curve, reverse the curve, and this is the. Ta, tha, da, da. Next. One standing line, the. The. This is the. Ta, ta, da, da. Na. How to write na? Na is like this. Upper curve and one standing line. Upper curve and one standing line. This is na. Next, this is ta, ta, da, da, na. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Next, tha. How to write tha? First, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. This is tha. This is tha. Next, tha, tha. One comma like this. drag it down, and one standing line and sleeping line, comma, small curve, standing line and sleeping line. The. One standing line, C, and like this. The. Next, the. How to write the? Next second, the. One curve like this. The. 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 Now, how to write now? One curve, sleeping line, standing line. Na, curve, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. Na, da, na. Da, na. Na. So this is tavarg. This is tavarg. This is savarg. This is tavarg. This is thavarg. This is savarg. So in this class we learned new topic is tavarg and thavarg. So let us write it in the box. How to write tavarg? So first, how to write ta? One standing line, one C, and one sleeping line. Ta. What is this? Ta. This is tongue. Ta says tongue. Ta says tongue. Next, this tha. One standing line, one zero, and one sleeping line. Ta. This is thela. Thela. Next, the. One standing line, one curve. See, reverse the curve. This is da. What is this? Da. This is ta. This is tha. Da. Standing line. C, reverse the C, and one sleeping line. Da. One standing line, C, and like this. Da. This is double roti. Ta says tongue, tha says tela, dha says double roti, dha says dapali, na. How to write na? See here, look at this. One curve, upper curve, and one standing line, and one sleeping line. Da, na. This is tela, tha says tela, tha says tongue, tha says tela, dha says double roti, dha says dapali, na. Now next, tha. How to write tha? Look here. One standing line, sleeping line, and standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Ta says tarbooj. Ta says tarbooj. This tha, okay? Now how to write this? One small curve, take it down, one curve down, one standing line, and one sleeping line. Tha. This tha says tarbooj. This tha says thermos. Curve. Again bring another curve downwards. Standing line and sleeping line. Tha says tarbooj. Tha says thermos. The. How to write the? The. Standing line, sleeping line and a curve. This is the. The says darwaza. The says darwaza. This the. Next the. Curve. Bring it like this. And one standing line, sleeping line. The. Dharani. The. Dharani. Th. The. After the, what we have? Na. How to write na? One curve, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. Curve, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. Na. Na says namak. Th. The. Now. Th says tarbooj. Th says thermos. The says darwaza. Dha says dharani. Na says namak. So children, in today's class we learned ta varg and tha varg. So let me revise again once again for you all. So in the first class we had learned what is swar. They are known as vowels in English. They are 13 in number. They are a, e, u, ru. A, I, o, au, aha. A says ananas. A says alu. E says imarat. E says int. U says upahar. U says und. Ru says rushi. A says ek. I says ainak. O says okli. Au says aushad. Says angur. And aha. Next, in the next topic we learn Vyanjan. What is Vyanjan? Vyanjan means consonants in English, and they are 37 in number. We learn kha varg and cha varg first. So kha varg, kha, gha, nya. Kha, gha, nya. Kha says khalika. Kha says khargosh. Gha says gajar. Gha says ghoda. And nya. This is kha varg. What is this? Kha varg. Kha, gha, nya. Cha varg. Cha, ja, nya. Cha says chakra. Cha says chakra. Cha says chatri. Cha says chatri. Ja says jahaj. Ja says jahaj. Jha says jhanda. Jha says jhanda. And nya. So we learned kha varg, cha varg. And in today's class, we learned ta varg and tha varg. And also we learned how to write and learn with example. Ta, tha, da, na. Ta, da, na. Tha, da, na. Tha says tongue. Tha says thela. Da says double roti. Dha says dapli. And na. Tha says tongue. Tha says thela. Dha says double roti. Dha says dapli. And na. Tha, da, na. Tha, da, na. Tha says tarbooj. Tha says thermos. Dha says darwaza. Dha says dharani. Na says namak. How to write? How to write ta now? One standing line, curve, and sleeping line. This is ta. Next we have standing line, a zero, and a sleeping line. Ta, da. Standing line, curve, sleep, and another curve, and sleeping line. Da. Standing line, curve, do like this, and a sleeping line. Da. Na. Upper curve, standing line, sleeping line. Na. This is tha varg. Tha says, what does tha say? Tha says tongue. Tha says thela. Dha says double roti. Dha says dapli. And na. Let us see how to write tha na. One standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. This is th. Th says tarbuj. Th says tarbuj. Next th. One small comma, curl, standing line, and sleeping line. Th. This is th. What is this? Th. Th says thermos. Next is the. Standing line, curl, like this, and a sleeping line. The. What is this? The. The says darwaza. The says darwaza. Next the. Curl, bring down the curl, standing line, and a sleeping line. This is the. Is this same? Yes, it is same. The says, what does this say? This says dharani. The says dharani. Now, how to write now? One curl, sleeping line, standing line, and a sleeping line. Now, is this same, children, now? Yes, it is same. This na says namak. What this says? Namak. So, in this class, we learned tavarg and thavarg. So, we have completed what is swar, letters, and vyanjan, khavarg, chavarg, thavarg, and thavarg. So, I will be teaching in the next class next two words. So, I hope you understood whatever I have taught and enjoyed learning with me. So, revise properly and practice 2 to 3 times in your homework book. Thank you.